So I thought I'd record a precursor video to the videos I have recorded that you'll soon see, because I had my daughter with me. She's 3. Is she a daddy's girl? I don't know. She always wants to know everything that I do. I have to explain every single thing I do. Why are you taking that off? What does that do, Daddy? What's that? Why are you putting that in there? So it's extremely cute, and in all fairness, you can probably explain how the thermostat and everything works herself now anyway, but for trying to record what I was doing, it wasn't good, because I kept on to stop to entertain her, because if you don't respond to her, she will toddler you and go ballistic. So I've changed the thermostat. There's new coolant in it. I did so because the car was not getting heat in the cabin. It took a while to get to temperature, and then actually recently, as in yesterday, the car would overheat on extremely short journeys. The radiator fan would kick in and it would be stonking hot. I actually found that the thermostat was faulty, and also there was no coolant, next to no coolant. There was probably about a litre in the system, which was great. So check your coolant regularly, not like me. As I said before, these cars are so cheap. It's probably bangonomics I'm doing. If I get 6 months out of them, fantastic. The repair for this was £6 for the thermostat, and I don't know, like £5 for the coolant or something. Nothing, 11 quid to fix a car. If you gave this to a garage to do it, that's probably, I don't know, 100 quid with labour. They'll charge you whatever the hell they want, but yeah, another one of those things. I had to go myself. I have sorted it. I've driven it since. The car gets up to temperature, stays there. Heat comes into the cabin. Doesn't overheat. No leaks, nothing. So happy days. Yeah, that's it. Volvo Part 3, I think, is it? Here we go. So here we are back with the Volvo. Isn't that right, Evelyn?
Yes.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know.
What do you think's wrong with it? Is it broken?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It was overheating, wasn't it?
There's that hot there.
Yeah.
And it's broken.
It is broken. So we're going to change the thermostat because it's overheating, isn't it? And there's no heat getting into the cabin.
No.
And we've got a leak somewhere because there's no coolant, or I don't even know if it's ever had coolant because I never checked it and I don't really care. So we're going to try and fix it. Woo! Alright, so we've taken this cover off. T30 Hex, Torx, whatever they are. T40 for these. That's my thermostat. Brown, water, rusty. Exactly what you need in an engine. What do you think's wrong now, Evelyn?
I don't know.
Me neither. Let's change the thermostat and put some new coolant in it, yeah? Emptying the coolant system out now through the bottom of the radiator. It's pink there, but very rusty brown inside. What do I need to do? Open it. No. I haven't taken enough videos because there's a 3-year-old helping me, but that's what came out. Not good. The old thermostat, that's the seal. Absolutely gone. That's the old thermostat. I put it in boiling water, didn't do anything. So we've got a new thermostat, which interestingly was the wrong one because it didn't. This seal actually wraps around the lip of this thermostat, but the one I've got, this sits in the body, and it was an O-ring that goes on top. It's still made of seal, so whatever. Bye bye that one. Yeah, that's where it was leaking off, but it's not anymore. Fresh coolant over the maximum line because that's the right thing to do. It's been up to temperature, the thermostat opened, I've burped the system, squeezed all the pipes, yada yada yada. I'm not going to tell you how to suck eggs. And yeah, so I'm going to take it for a drive now and see what happens. Just empty the old coolant into this grubby old carboy, but that's a 5 litre and that's all that was in it. The car's going to have 5 litres of coolant in it. Maybe I should have checked it more often, but yeah, nah. There's lots of crap in there. So if you care about your cars, check your coolant often. It's a shame really. I've had the car since October, and how many miles is it? Well, 4,000 miles in it now, and it's just not hacked. The commute that I do, it's ridiculous. So MOT's due on the 26th, and it's probably going to be a scrapper. It's got knocking at the back. It could be a shock or something. It's scuffed a lot. That wasn't me, that was previous owner. I'm not a terrible driver. What else it needs? Brakes. Like, the discs are probably not far off needing doing again. Just got back from driving this after doing the coolant, and oh, look at that. It's gone down to just on the max line. Beautiful. I planned that. The thermostat's been opened and it's not leaked. I doubt it's been changed again since then. All that. Bangonomics, so what's it had? Thermostat, coolant, battery, and I put new shoes on it all round. Hey, poor thing.